Is this your idea of a great adventure game? Or is this? Introducing the Amiga CD32, the world's first 32-bit game machine. Years in development, Commodore's advanced graphics architecture chips allow finer detail than any competing product, and over 250,000 colors on the screen at once. Combine this graphics power with the mighty 68020 microprocessor and CD stereo sound, and the possibilities are limitless. But the Amiga CD32 is far more than just a game machine. It can run most existing CD-TV software. It's a state-of-the-art CD audio player with a graphical user interface, and it's great for desktop video and multimedia presentations, like the one you're watching right now. So, when you're ready to break the barriers of traditional game machines, take a look at the Amiga CD32. It blows away the competition.